Hello everyone. So, in previous videos, we saw what is IoT, what is Internet, what is theme, and we also explored the possibilities with IoT. In today's video, we will see advantages, risks, and security and best practices of IoT. So now, let's first see the advantages. So IoT makes things smart and connected. Here are some of the advantages of IoT. So first thing IoT improve is energy efficiency. So it increases the energy efficiency. It can help increase efficiency in various industries by automating tasks, reducing errors, and optimizing workflow. For an example, in manufacturing, IoT can be used to automate production line, reducing human error and increasing output. So let me give you another example for better understanding. So assume you are cooking some dish and you must maintain some temperature. So for now, let's say 100 degrees. Okay, but you forgot, or maybe due to something, temperature went above our desired temperature. At that condition, food can be burned and you need to recreate the entire dish. So, due to burning of food, you need to recreate it again. And if you are recreating it again, you need to put your energy. So here, due to human error, the process was getting inefficient. The process of cooking food is taking more time and more resources. Consider if you had smart pot that automatically manages the temperature, then your food would have never burned. So overall process could have been better. So in the same fashion, in various industries, be it manufacturing, be it transportation, be it healthcare, IoT increases the efficiency by reducing the error. So now let's see the second advantage. So improved decision making. IoT can provide real-time data on various parameters, enabling better decision making. For an example, in agriculture, IoT sensors can provide data on soil moisture level, enabling farmers to optimize irrigation and improve crop yield. So this was the one of the example. So using the moisture level, farmers can optimize irrigation. So let's put other environmental data in the picture, like temperature, humidity, light intensity. So with all this data, including moisture data, the engineers with farmers can reduce what kind of yield will be most beneficial for these conditions. So using this data, farmers can make more informed decisions. So be it in any industry, for making informed decisions, we need data. So IoT enable us and provide us the data, and using that data, we can make smart decisions. Third advantage is enhanced safety and security. IoT can enhance safety and security in various industries by monitoring and detecting potential hazards. For an example, in healthcare, IoT sensors can monitor patient vital signs and alert healthcare providers in case of emergencies. So now let's say another example of manufacturing. Consider you are working on some big machines, maybe CNC or VNC machines. So sometimes it happens machine get overheated, and that overheating can lead to problem. So here we can use sensors which can sense the temperature inside machine, and it inform the operator and manager about it. So using this IoT device for monitoring the temperature inside machine, we can potentially save money, time, and any other bad consequences. So to be real, nowadays every big machinery do come with this kind of monitoring sensors. Fourth point is cost saving. IoT can help reduce costs in various industries by optimizing processes, reducing waste, and improving efficiency. For an example, in logistics, IoT can be used to track shipments and optimize delivery routes, reducing fuel consumption and transportation. So, I guess it is obvious for everyone, if we are increasing the efficiency, if we are improving the decision making, if we are taking smart decisions, and we have enhanced safety and security, this will definitely lead us to cost saving. If there are less error, system will be more optimized. If system is more optimized, then it will consume less energy. If it consumes less energy and time, then it will reduce the cost. Fourth, fifth point is improved customer experience. IoT can improve customer experience by providing personalized services and enhancing convenience. For an example, in retail, IoT can be used to send personalized offers and recommendations to customers' smartphone based on their location in the store. So I guess it was very good example. So I won't take another example. So sixth point is sustainable development. IoT can help promote sustainable development by reducing energy consumption, waste, and pollution. For an example, smart cities, IoT can be used to optimize traffic flow, reduce energy consumption in buildings, and improve waste management. So, of course, if things are more efficient, more safer, and decisions are good, then this all parameters will lead to sustainable development. Now, this was some of the examples. So it is not like that these all are only advantages of IoT. So now we saw the advantages. Now quickly see the risk. So before entering into any technology, before making any device, any software, any hardware, we must see risks also with advantages. So while IoT offers many advantages, it also comes with some risks and challenges that need to be addressed. Here are some of the risks involved in IoT. First thing is security. IoT devices are vulnerable to cyber attacks which can compromise users' data and privacy. Many IoT devices are not designed with security in mind and can easily hack, leaving them vulnerable to attacks. So, because there are many, many IoT devices, if number of devices increases, then chances of security breach also increases. And generally, while making the IoT devices, because it is relatively new technology, generally developers don't think about the security much. Second point is privacy. IoT devices can collect vast amount of personal data, including location, activity, health data, which can be used for malicious purposes if not properly secured. Third point is interoperability. So let's first see this point. IoT devices often operate on different platforms and protocols, making it difficult for them to communicate with each other. This can create compatibility issues and limit the scalability of IoT solutions. So, in IoT, we do use many different protocols. We will learn in soon future. So, because there is no well defined standard structure, so every maker make IoT device in their own way. So this can lead to reducing the interoperability. Fourth point is reliability. IoT devices can malfunction, leading to system failures and downtime. This can be particularly concerning in critical systems such as healthcare and transportation. So here you can think of it like if you have many number of devices, this can lead to malfunctioning of more devices. Now let's move to the fifth point, that is complexity. IoT systems can be complex and difficult to manage, particularly as number of devices and sensors increases. This can lead to integration challenges, high maintenance costs, and difficulty in scaling the system. And sixth point is regulatory compliances. IoT systems may be subjected to regulatory compliances requirement, requirements, particularly in industries such as healthcare, finance. Compliances with regulation such as HIPAA, GDPR, and PCI DSS can be complex and challenging. So I won't be explaining this term in this lecture because it will be out of the scope. But I will appreciate if you read about this regulatory compliances on your own. Overall, while IoT offers many benefits, it is important to address the associated risks. The reason of telling you about this risk and concerns as a future IoT developer, engineer, or maker, you must address them and try to resolve them. So now let's see security and best practices. So to make IoT system and devices secure, you can do some of the best practices. First of all is secure communication. Ensure that IoT devices are secure using secure communication protocols such as TLS or SSL. So in future video, we will dive deep into these two protocols. To encrypt data in transit. This will help prevent data interception and man in middle attack. Second point is authentication. Implement strong authentication mechanism to ensure only authorized user or device can access IoT system. This may include password authentication, biometric authentication, or multi-factor authentication. Third point is authorization. Define appropriate access control to limit the actions that authorized user or devices can perform within the IoT system. This will help prevent unauthorized changes or actions. Regular update. Ensure that IoT devices are regularly updated with secure with security patches and firmware update. This will help address known vulnerability and reduces the risk of cyber attacks. Data encryption. Implement data encryption mechanism such as AES or RASM. So again, in future, we will see how we can achieve this. To encrypt data at rest on IoT devices or servers. This will help prevent data theft and unauthorized access. Secure development practices. Follow secure development practices such as OWASP Top 10 guidelines to ensure that IoT devices and systems are developed with security in mind. So again, we will see some of this guideline, but I will suggest read these guidelines on your own. Seventh part is network segmentation. Segment IoT devices in separate networks to prevent unauthorized access and reduce the attack surface. This can be achieved through VLAN or other network segmentation technique. So here what we are doing, instead of making one large network of devices and sending the data from the single point to the internet, we should segment this. That means we should make small networks, and each network will have the gateway that will send the data to the internet. Eighth point is monitoring. Implement monitoring tool to detect and alert security incidents such as unauthorized access attempt or data breaches. This will help identify security threats and enable quick response. Otherwise, this other than this, we need to be careful while providing the level of access to each individual and user. If multiple users are using the product and service, we need to clarify we need to clearly define the level of access for each user. So I hope you understood the advantages, risks, and security and best practices for IoT. So each of these issue, advantage, and best practices we will see in future videos. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.